Hey there, ice lovers! Whether it's for your home, office, or outdoor party, a reliable countertop ice maker can be a total game changer. Today, we're exploring the top 5 countertop ice makers that promise to keep your drinks perfectly chilled wherever you are. Our first pick is the Antarctic Star Nugget Countertop Ice Maker. Perfect for those who love soft, chewable nugget ice, just like at your favorite restaurant. It can churn out up to 34 pounds of ice every 24 hours. No more waiting, enjoy ice cubes all day long. This model is designed for simplicity. With its one-click operation, you'll start making ice in seconds. And maintenance? Easy. Just press the Ice/Clean button for 5 seconds to activate the self-cleaning cycle. It runs for 15 minutes, so you get fresh, clean ice every time. Plus, the compact size means it fits neatly on your countertop without taking up too much space, making it ideal for your kitchen, office, or even your next backyard party. Next, meet the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker machine. This compact and portable machine is all about speed. It delivers 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. With a capacity of 26 pounds per day, it's perfect for homes, camping, or even road trips. Featuring a sturdy handle and weighing under 14 pounds, it's easy to transport anywhere. The advanced infrared sensor will alert you when the ice basket is full or needs more water. Plus, the machine offers an automatic cleaning mode. Just press the on/off button for 5 seconds, and it does the rest. Enjoy whisper quiet operation, less than 45 decibels, ensuring a calm environment while making ice perfect for any setting, from home kitchens to offices. Our third choice, the FRIGIDAIRE EFIC117-SS. This sleek stainless steel ice maker is compact yet powerful. It produces 26 pounds of ice per day, and you can choose between 2 different ice sizes. With its soft touch electronic controls and LED indicators, using it is effortless. Plus, there's no installation required. Just plug it in, add water, and enjoy fresh ice in minutes. With a 2.3-quart water reservoir and built-in air outlet fan, this machine is built for efficiency. Perfect for home, office, or small gatherings. Coming in at number 4, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker, designed for chewable, soft pellet ice lovers. This pebble ice machine creates up to 34 pounds of ice per day, so you'll never run out. Nugget ice retains flavor better than regular ice cubes, making it ideal for sodas, cocktails, and even whiskey. Plus, it's quiet. No more loud ice making noises. One of its best features? A self-cleaning function. Just press the Ice/Clean button for 5 seconds, and it will automatically clean itself. Hassle-free maintenance at its best. Finally, we have the Silin Countertop Ice Maker. It's perfect for households or small offices, delivering 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds of ice daily. This machine lets you choose between 2 sizes of bullet ice, large for cocktails and whiskey, or small for juices and sodas. It operates quietly, around 45 decibels, making it ideal for any room in your home or office. The infrared sensor ensures continuous ice production without overflow, and the self-cleaning function keeps the ice fresh. Plus, the upgraded basket handle lets you easily transfer large batches of ice whenever you need. So there you have it, our top 5 countertop ice makers. Each of these machines offers unique features to fit your lifestyle. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tips.